This is Earth Chats to the Point Snippets, bringing you insightful conversations in the bite size. If you'd like to hear more, make sure to check out the Earth Chats podcast on Spotify, YouTube, and various other platforms. You can find the links below. What do you find are some of the most common misconceptions people have around health and nutrition?
Okay, so definitely that it's expensive.
Uh-huh.
So that eating healthy is expensive because I think a lot of people associate healthy with superfoods and with novelty ingredients, and they don't kind of relate it to your everyday fruit and vegetables. And then also with the expensive comes the exclusivity, so that it's only, applies or is in the reach, within the reach of people who are financially able to buy these ingredients. The other thing is that it's boring. A lot of the times, that's why I kind of promote the fun aspect of nutrition as well, is because there's often an idea that eating healthy is boring and bland as well. And not creative. So I think that's where with the Nutrilicious Kitchen I like to promote a different way of thinking. I think that's pretty much.
That's it. Yeah. Cool. No, definitely. I think people, especially if you say like plant-based and stuff, they're like, really? Like, how can, like, nobody likes veggies? And it's like, I don't understand why. They're like, they're so colorful and delicious.
Yeah, exactly. No, I also don't understand why. It's just you need to know how to treat vegetables.
Yeah.
And that's kind of what I teach at the Nutrilicious Kitchen.
I love that. As a special gift to our listeners, BMDM Digital has created a 52-page free social media training guide that will help you ignite your social media. You can download your free copy in the link below.